Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a Sicilian stuffed calamari. Calamari? That always tastes like rubber. I don't know why you're even doing this. Tonight we're going to be doing some Sicilian stuffed calamari. We got a caprese salad. First of all, we're going to do it on a bed of arugula with arborio rice, of course. And then for the stuffing, we have red pepper, garlic, onion, cucumber, some beautiful shiitake mushrooms, pine nuts, of course, fennel, and some pecorino romano and lemon zest. And, of course, wine. All right, here's all the stuff. Let's add it. To make them not rubbery, add milk, set them aside, and put your rice on. And by the time your rice is done in 30 minutes, your calamari soaked in milk should be ready to go. A little overhead projection here. You're going to have to finely chop these up, of course. Red peppers, fennel, cucumber, and then get your lemon zest, of course, onions, and mushrooms. And then, of course, we're going to be doing the garlic here. Going to chop that up fine. And then we're going to add anchovies to it, which I forgot about in the intro. Anyways, we're going to be chopping those up and getting them really blended together well. And then we're going to put the salad together. Going to mix everything up. And then we're going to add the pecorino romano and a little cornmeal as a binder. Mix it up good. And there you have your stuffing. Oh, wait a minute. This is Sicilian stuffing. Add pine nuts and wine. There. Now it's better. Okay, take your time with these, but stuff them up good. Be careful not to split them. And then after they're all stuffed, you're going to be putting get your sticks out and putting the heads on them, and then sealing the tops. Beer batter: 1 cup white cornmeal, 1 cup flour, 1 can of Foster's. Mix thoroughly. Get your plate all set up. Bed of arugula greens, your caprese salad on the sides, olive oil, vinegar, black pepper, a little salt. Good to go. We're going to make our little top sauce here. Butter, garlic, of course, lemon, and wine. It's time to cook now. 1, 2, 3. And of course, we're going to have to flip them over. And then we're going to put them on the rack and let them dry. Time to plate up. Perfect rice. Every time, of course. And then we're going to lay out our beautiful calamaris and get ready to dress it up. Take your beautiful sauce there. Lemon. Pecorino romano. Add cayenne pepper. And voila! A little flyby here from overhead. Looking good. And then, of course, cut into it. And absolutely beautiful. Sicilian stuffed calamari. Beer batter and fried. Over a bed of arugula with a caprese salad. What more can you ask for? Okay, people, take care of yourselves. Live large. We'll see you next time.